This is Sam, a subscriber I met in Boston to help him step out of his comfort zone, meet people in real life, and show you that you can talk to anyone. You're watching the 41st episode of the Social Animal Subscriber Challenge. Enjoy.
Do you have any bread for the ducks? You look older. How do you want it?
Me? It's courageous.
Today I'm in Boston with Sam.
What's up, guys? I'm 18 years old, and I'm finishing up a few classes in high school. Then I want to go into real estate, and I want to pursue fitness. I'm here today because I want to get better at talking to people. I feel like I haven't really worked on that for a while. I feel like I isolated myself, especially when I had a girlfriend. I didn't talk to anyone except her and her family, which is obviously not good. It's just like finding like stuff to say. I feel like that's the hard part.
Any last words before we start?
Wish me luck. Hey, how you doing?
Hi.
Hey, what's up? Do you have any bread for the ducks? I'm trying to give them a little snack.
You're not supposed to give the ducks bread.
Really? They look hungry. Look at that.
Yeah, but you're killing them by giving them bread.
I feel like bread's better than the leaves. You know what I mean?
No, it's not though. It's actually really bad for them.
Why? What do they eat? Like fish, right?
I don't know what they eat. I just know that they don't eat bread.
It's not like a natural food or something? I got you. What are you doing? You drawing or painting?
Just kind of doing a bunch of stuff right now. I'm waiting to go to my next thing.
Next venture? Nice. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Name Sam.
Sam.
There we go. My hands are so cold. It's crazy.
They are cold.
Oh my god. I thought you were cute and wanted to say hi.
I appreciate that. Thank you. I'm actually in a relationship.
Oh, you are?
Yes.
No worries.
You're very sweet. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Yes, sir.
Okay, Sam. So first interaction, good that you went. So how did that feel for you?
Honestly, it wasn't even that bad. I was just talking to her like a normal person. I feel like initially, I was a little nervous, but I saw her kind of open up and get a little bit less nervous, get more comfortable.
At the beginning, you came and you said, do you have something for the dogs? I was wondering if this was very genuine.
Excuse me. Oh, hey, what's up? I just thought you were cute. I saw you from back there. What's your name? Sam.
Nice to meet you.
How old are you?
19.
Oh, shoot. Guess my age.
We go with 20, 21-ish.
18?
18?
Yeah.
Okay. You go to school around here?
So I don't go to school around here. I'm doing a few courses in high school. I have a few online courses.
Okay.
Yeah. COVID really messed me up.
Yeah.
But yeah. What about you? Where you go? You a business major or?
No, I'm actually the opposite. I'm in interior design.
Oh, nice. Like houses?
Yeah, well, you can kind of do whatever you want with it.
That's true. Like I said, I looked at you. You're cute. Had to say what's up. So can I get your number?
Yeah, of course.
Awesome. There we go.
There you go.
Awesome. Have a great day.
You too.
Okay, Sam. Nice.
Yeah, she's very pretty. I was super nervous to go up to her, but then I was you know what? Relax. And then when I got closer, I didn't know which side to approach her on. But I was you know what? Just talk to her, bro. It's yeah. So no, she's really pretty though.
She was nice.
She was super nice. She was receptive. She actually was calmer than me. So.
Yeah.
Oh, hey. So I saw you from over there, and I thought you were pretty cute. So just want to say hi.
Oh, hi. Nice to meet you.
Hey, what's your name? Fist bump. COVID friendly. I got you.
Like
Moderna, but I get you.
That's awesome.
What are you guys doing now? Just checking out the water and stuff?
Yeah, just hanging out. Yeah.
Got you. There's some ducks over there. They were pretty sick,
Oh, yeah?
Give them a few pieces of bread and...
Sweet.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, yeah, so I'll let you guys have a good day.
Yeah, I appreciate your brevity. We're both old and married.
I know,
I really appreciate your brevity.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm not joking.
Thank you. Oh, hey, what's up? I saw you from over there, and I thought you were pretty cute. Yeah, what's your name? Nice to meet you. You go to college?
No, I'm done with college.
Done with college? What do you mean you're done with college?
Yeah, I'm done with college.
I feel you. Yeah. How old are you?
27.
27? Oh, okay, I feel you.
How old are you?
18?
18?
Yeah.
It's courageous from you to come and just talk to people.
You know what? I appreciate that. That's a penny board, right?
Right.
I swear, like when I was a kid, I used to ride those. Like I would fall all the time.
Really?
Like my shoes, like they would hardly fit. You know what I mean? It's like,
They're tiny.
yeah, exactly, yeah. I like the nickel boards.
Which ones are
You know, like it's like a bigger penny board.
right?
Those were made for some bigger people. You know what I mean? Yeah, but yeah, I appreciate it. Like, I hope you have a great day and stuff.
Thank you. You too.
Excuse me. How you doing? I just saw you from over there and thought you were cute.
Oh, thank you.
What's your name? Sam.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What you reading?
It's just writing politics.
Politics. I got you. I got you.
Yeah.
Well, I like the blue fit. Kind of like the blueberry kind of vibe.
Thank you.
I mess with that.
I love it too.
Yeah. I feel like when I do like a blueberry fit, it doesn't go as planned, you know?
Yeah.
That's more like a
it
lazy
has to
day
be,
kind of thing.
Like, the good colors. too.
Exactly, because if it's like the same color blue, like
Yeah.
looks a little
no.
sus, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's kind of like a gray gray outfit.
The outfit.
Gray outfit. Yeah, the gray outfit. You in college?
I am.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
18?
Yeah.
You look older.
Oh, thank you. That's a good thing.
Yeah, I feel like you look older. How old do you think I am?
I thought you were in college. Like 19, 20.
I feel you. Yeah, I'm 18 as well, so yeah. We should definitely you know, talk about the blueberry outfits and grab coffee sometime.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, what's your number?
I can give it to you.
Awesome. Awesome. All right, have a great day. It went good. It's pretty smooth. I even asked the coffee too, or
Yeah.
you know.
That was good. I
Yeah.
noticed you didn't just ask for the number. You were like, oh, let's do something. That was cool.
I thought I definitely probably could have been like a little bit calmer,
Okay.
for sure. But I felt I was probably the calmest at all my
Yeah.
interactions. It's going pretty well. Like Ruben said, it's all about relaxation. If you come up to a girl stuttering and mumbling, you know, like she's gonna think you're like kind of whack. So you know,
But also the relaxation is dependent on, you know, so first, how used are you to like just say what you want to say in your daily life, but also how you relate to people, right? So you just have to realize that people are people. You know, everyone is just trying to have a nice day. You know, everyone, you know, just things they like, things they don't like. Like the thing is, the more you think that people are different from you, the more it's going to create anxiety for you to talk to them because you think
you're already separating yourself.
Yeah, exactly, right? Like the more there is a gap in your mind between you and other people, the more you have to jump, right? But if
Yeah.
you realize you're all the same, then you can talk to people the same way you talk to your childhood friends. So anyway, that's it.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh hey, I saw you from over there and I thought you were cute.
Thank you.
What's your name? There we go. What's your name?
Yeah.
So Belle, are you guys sisters?
We're cousins.
Okay, that's fair. What about you? What's your name, bro?
What's up, bro?
Hey, Sam, man. And you? Nice to meet you guys. You guys in college or?
Yeah.
That's what's up. How old are you guys?
I'm 21.
21, 22. 20? Oh, okay. I feel you. 60. That's true. Yeah, I feel you. Where you guys go to school?
School, bro. What are you doing in the park today?
Just walking around, bro, you know.
Just chilling?
Just chilling, yeah. It's nice out, dude. It's like,
Yeah.
it's 60 degrees, but like the sun's out.
Yeah.
But if the sun wasn't out, that'd be messed up.
Fucking
It'd be cold, yeah, as fuck. Yeah, we should definitely grab some coffee sometime. Oh, you have a boyfriend. Okay, I got you. No worries, no worries. I hope you guys have a good day, though.
At the beginning, a part of me felt, oh, like you could have been a bit more inclusive of the other people.
Yeah.
You know, hey guys, you know, next time, you know, sit with them. Just sit, you know. Just take your ease, you know. Act as if you already know them, as if, you know, you're already comfortable with them.
I can eat my chicken breast.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because he brought some food. I don't know what he thought this was going to be an expedition. I don't know.
Sit down, baby. Feel good, man.
Feels good, right?
I'm warming up fast. What I need to do better is like not grabbing onto like the compliment and feeling, you know, if like I don't get a number or anything, I would feel bad. But it's not even like that.
You know, you should be able to give the compliment
Without, like,
almost
without
as a gift,
attach,
you know,
yeah.
without attachment. And then, you know, you should be able to separate your intention and the expectation. You know?
Oh, hey. I saw you from over there. I thought you were very cute.
Oh, thank you.
What's your name? You go to school around here?
No, I'm old.
How old are you?
28.
Damn, how old do you think I am?
18.
18, yeah. Okay, all right. Well, have a great day.
You too.
So, we're gonna keep going. I think this part is where like the older people are. I'm not sure, but we'll see. We'll see. So.
This fucking guy.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Hi.
You need a picture?
Yeah, yes.
Hey, let's go. Well, I just came to say you were cute.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, what's your name? Sam.
Sam. Nice to meet
Your name?
you.
It's a nice name. I like that. How do you want it?
Like with this background.
Background, I got you.
Thank you.
You need one more? Or?
No, that's. Let me see them. You're a very good photographer.
Thank you. Actually, I have this survey. Do you mind filling it out? Thank you.
Yeah.
You just put that in right there.
Do you have Instagram?
Oh, I don't use Instagram. Thank you. You're very cute.
Thank you.
We should definitely get some coffee sometime.
Oh, thank you. I don't live here.
Oh, okay. Well, when you're around,
Okay.
for sure.
Thank you, Sam.
Awesome. All right, you guys have a great day. Okay.
Thank you so much.
That was pretty sick. Like,
But,
I felt relaxed.
and how does that feel, especially considering the fact that at the beginning you were not so much
Yeah. I guess I was
can you
like
talk more about
prejudging.
that?
Well, yeah. I feel like I was prejudging.
What were you prejudging?
Like I feel like I don't know. Like they were just like I felt like they were maybe like I don't know, like too attractive or something.
Because they were like taking Instagram pictures and you were
Yeah,
like,
I got a little
can't talk to those
intimidated.
kind of
Yeah.
girls. Okay. And at the end they're just regular people.
Just people. Oh, hey, I saw you from over there, and you're very cute, by the way.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Oh, thank you.
What's your name, Sam?
Nice to meet you, Sam.
What's your name?
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
What are you guys doing? A little bit of music?
Yeah, studying your training for,
Okay.
for Berkeley for school.
What do you play?
We're both vocalists, actually.
So you sing?
Yeah.
Okay. I, on the other hand, cannot sing whatsoever.
That's okay.
It's pretty bad. Like I used to play like a little bit of piano, like when I was young. Then like it's I just didn't want it because it's so hard.
Yeah,
It's very hard. It's so hard. It's like, how old are you guys?
20. 20, I'm
20?
19.
18.
Oh, okay. Where do you go to college?
I don't.
Are you,
So
you just live here?
no, I just live in the park exactly on the trees. But no, like I'm finishing up a few classes in high school. Like they're online.
Okay.
During COVID, like it really messed me up a little bit.
Yeah.
But I have a few classes. Like I'll probably be out like February.
Yeah.
We should definitely grab a coffee sometime.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's the number?
971.
Good day, guys.
You too. Thank you.
It was a great interaction. Like I really like, while I was talking to her, like I really like thought back to what Ruben said, and be genuine. Like you actually, like you're talking to a friend. Like you know what I mean? Not like it's a stranger and like you're just saying that just to say it, or like you find her cute. Like you actually mean it.
Yeah, you mean it.
Yeah.
You say like you mean it.
And like obviously like don't say it with like too much of a straight face, like smile a little bit. Because like if you say it too serious, it's like if it's not as genuine, you know? I mean, hey, if I can do it, you guys can. Like it's not, you know what I mean? You guys can definitely do it. You just gotta put yourself out there.
But overall, that's great. Like you got the number of every girl in this park, so I don't know
I
what
did.
else.
How about that? For next time.
Okay, Sam. So how was today?
Today was a great day. I did. Fuck that shit up.
Okay, like try to like.
Yeah. Today was a great day. You know, I learned a lot about just talking to people, and that really like how like the delivery of what like how you say things is so important. Like if you say something with a straight face, like it doesn't usually end well. You know, obviously, like it's not serious. But you know, if like you give like a little smile and like you say like, "Hey, you're cute," like, and you actually genuinely mean that, it goes a long way. Today was about like first and foremost, like getting out of my comfort zone. Like I've never done this type of stuff. Like, well, I mean, I cold approached a few people like, you know, like a few weeks ago, but like in my whole life, like generally, like, I've never done this, and I've always like envied people that done this, and so like actually doing it is like super important.
Did you get any insights from today?
Well, like I said before, the way you say things, it's not like a little bit important. It's really important. It can be like a game. Yeah, it can be like a game changer. You know.
Do you have anything to tell people who are watching?
Yeah. So like, just don't take. I mean, I guess probably life in general as serious, and especially these interactions. that's serious, because it's not. At the end of the day, you're talking to another human being that you have a lot more in common than you actually think. Also subscribe to Ruben. Go email him. You have to. I had a great day with him. So yeah.
Nice. Any last words? Closing words?
Subscribe, Social Animal.
If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, my email is ruben@socialanimal.us, so if you want to chat, if you want to work with me, and especially if you want to do the challenge, shoot me an email. By the way, some people have asked in the comments, the challenge is completely free. I just want to make a video out of it. And I'm going to be in LA for the next 10 days, so if you're around, definitely hit me up. That's it for today. See you next time.